Hello guys, hello, and I'm back. Happy New Year, happy 2025. And let's start the year with beer mug sugar cookie. All right, so as usual, I'm using royal icing for all my cookies. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box for my recipe, how I make mine. I'm making it using Wilton meringue powder, and it's my trusty never fail kind of icing. I always make the same one, so there's no corn syrup on mine. All right, so here I am using kind of toothpaste consistency icing. I'm gonna outline my mug first, and I do handled too. All right, so kind of like that. And then I'm gonna do flooding consistency icing, and I'm gonna fill the middle part. So this is another very easy sugar cookie design. I think anybody can do it. Just not even much practice, just kind of follow my video, and I'm pretty sure you can make it just as nice. So yeah, so flooding consistency. So I'm just using plain water to thin my icing till consistency I need. So just like that. And then I'm gonna use white flooding icing for the top part of my cookie. So far, I hope everybody follows. I think it's pretty easy. All right, then I'm gonna do for the top. And just fill up the same for the bottom, just like that. And here I'm gonna let cookie a little crust over so I can come back and do the top portion. All right. Okay, so here you can see the cookie become a little matte on top. So here I'm go back with my outline consistency white icing, and I'm gonna put my shape of the foam of the beer kind of on top roughly. So this is pretty much freehand. You can make it as droopy or not droopy as you want. So this is completely up to you. So I'm outlining mine, and now I'm filling back with flooding consistency. You can do it without outlining, but I think outline kind of holds in icing better. So just make sure it stays puffy. And I'm gonna use a couple dots like that, kind of like foam drips. Okay, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit longer, so it's the top part crusts a little bit, so I can put a little foam dots on top part as well, like that, so kind of make it more bubbly. And now when my cookies are completely dry, they kind of look just flat to me, so I decided to use this edible dusting powder, and I'm just gonna give a little bit dimension to my mug. So I'm just gonna use my brush. All right, if I can find it. All right, and just slightly dip my brush into dusting powder, and I'm just gonna run it just along the edges, so kind of deepen it a little bit along the bottom part and on the other side of the mug, and you can see it already gives it a little more interest, a little more dimension. So you can do it on wet technique too, but I figured this one kind of actually much easier to do. And there you go. So here's all my beer mugs. I think they turned out great. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.